Yan. So, ito yung honey. Honey mula kay Sir Rendex, mula kay Engineer. Ayan, maraming salamat syempre sa ating napakabait na engineer. Ayan, Sir Lucky. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Gamit ko na itong honey na binigay po ninyo. Ayan. So, let's try. Syempre, try natin to. Let's go. Yan. So, ito yung ating titikman ngayon. Ang ating kamote Q with drizzle of honey. Grabe, solid. Quality. Ang lakas nung tama nung nung honey, sarap. Hindi siya yung parang asukal lang. Hindi. Ito, ang sarap. So, hindi siya hindi siya yung usual na kamote Q. Usual na kamote Q is caramelized na asukal. Ito is quality. Honey. Thank you so much. Thank you.